With our Melissa Kim. She is live in Prince George's County.
All right, Melissa, good morning to you. How are things in Prince George? I'm assuming that things are just like they are everywhere else in the region. Snow, cold, and just not pleasant out there.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, there's also a very lovely wind that's like pelting snow in my face right now. So it's all kinds of conditions right now. I want to show you a little bit. We're at the Wawa off of Crane Highway in Brandywine, and driving here from where we were staying last night, my photographer Ruth and I, in Waldorf, it was a bit of a tough drive, not gonna lie. As you can see, there are plow trucks out and about, and these guys are already shoveling so early in this morning out in the cold, but they are out in full force right now, the trucks. I've been talking to officials in Prince George's County Department of Public Works since yesterday. They said at 6 p.m. yesterday, they started deploying all of their troops out onto the roads, the trucks, and they're gonna be working until pretty much the snow is over. So let's do a quick measurement. I know Caitlin said we don't need the yardsticks just yet, but I have to do it, okay? So let's see. Right now here on the grass, we have I say that's like a good 2 inches or so, I think. So we'll keep on monitoring the conditions out here in Prince George's County as we make our way closer north to District Heights and Forestville. But right now, listen to everybody, what everyone else has been saying, guys. If you don't need to be on the roads, stay off the roads. Let these guys that are in the plow trucks do their jobs, so that we can all be safe and sound after the storm. Back to you all.
You know, if we can get that plow truck to swing through that parking lot and give those guys a break, my goodness, watching them doing it by hand.
Exactly, yeah, they're doing, that's a lot of hard work, Melissa, a lot of hard work.
All right, friends, stay safe out there.